Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your money management with YNAB step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the YNAB website. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a password. Once your account is created, log in to your new YNAB dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Next, click on Add Account to set up your financial accounts. Select the type of account you want to add, such as checking or savings. Enter your account name and current balance. Choose whether you want to link your bank account for automatic updates. If you prefer manual entry, simply skip the linking step. Now, head to the budget section to create your first budget. Click on Set up your budget. Select the month you want to start budgeting for. Name your budget according to your financial goals. Begin by allocating your income to immediate expenses. Use the To Be Budgeted section to distribute your funds. Move on to categorize your spending by selecting the relevant categories. Add any additional categories that match your unique spending habits. Once you've allocated your income, review your budget for accuracy. Pay close attention to your available balances for each category. After your budget is set, start tracking expenses in real time. Click on Add Transaction whenever you spend money. Fill in the details such as the amount, date, and category for each transaction. Regularly review your budget and adjust allocations as needed. Utilize the Reports section to analyze your spending trends over time. Explore features like goal setting to improve your budget performance. Consider using the mobile app for on-the-go management. Schedule regular budget reviews to keep yourself accountable. Continue learning through YNAB's educational resources and community support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.